This advanced nighttime serum in a capsule, formulated with our exclusive advanced Me concentrate technology, delivers a potent blend of encapsulated niacin, amide, and vitamin C, a proven skin brightener. As your body rests, powerful botanicals work synergistically with skin's natural repair process to help minimize the appearance of excess pigmentation and dark spots and support skin's natural collagen and elastin matrix, giving skin a smoother, brighter look. See a profoundly visible transformation. Skin looks smooth, crystal clear, and translucent. Supports skin's own natural collagen and elastin matrix to give skin a smoother, brighter look. Decreases the appearance of uneven skin tone. Exfoliates, minimizes the look of pores, improves light reflectivity. Keep from direct light and store in tightly closed container in a cool, dry place. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.